Welcome to the Ultimate Math Quiz Challenge. Do you think you're good at math? Let's put your brain to the test. Today, you'll face 60 exciting math questions divided into easy, medium, hard, and impossible levels. You'll have just 5 seconds to solve each question before the answer appears. Can you become a math legend? Let's find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your final score. Let's begin. Can you solve this in 5 seconds? Great start. The answer is 15. This one is super easy. Nice job, it's 9. Warm up your brain. Excellent. The answer is 36. Can you beat the timer? Correct, it's 7. Easy peasy. Awesome. The answer is 32. Think fast. Well done, it's 27. Don't blink. Amazing. The answer is 56. This one's simple. Correct, it's 8. Can you do it mentally? Great guess. The answer is 41. Stay focused. Nice, it's 45. Super quick. Brilliant. The answer is 66. One more easy one. Perfect. It's 9. Keep going. Excellent. The answer is 62. Almost there. Awesome, it's 52. Final easy challenge. Fantastic. The answer is 144. Great job. You've completed the first level. What's your score so far? Comment your score below. The next questions are going to be much more challenging, so stay focused. If you're enjoying this quiz, hit the like button and subscribe for more brain-teasing challenges. Ready? Let's move to the next level. Things are getting harder. Fantastic. The answer is 144. Can you solve this before time runs out? Correct, it's 12. Use your brain! Excellent. The answer is 85. This one needs focus. Nice work. It's 56. Mental math challenge. Awesome. The answer is 117. Don't rush. Brilliant. It's 15. Can you beat this one? Correct. The answer is 61. Watch carefully. Great job. It's 57. Let's test your multiplication. Excellent. The answer is 210. A little trickier. Amazing. It's 13. Can you do this mentally? Fantastic! The answer is 134. Stay focused. Nice guess, it's 83. This one is fun. Brilliant. The answer is 288. Can you solve it? Perfect. It's 18. Final medium question. Correct. The answer is 95. Things are getting serious. Excellent. The answer is 400. Can you solve this in 5 seconds? Great job. Division first. The answer is 44. Only math lovers get this. Brilliant. The answer is 252. Stay focused. Correct, it's 35. Don't get tricked. Nice, the answer is 81. Can you beat this one? Amazing! The answer is 540. This one needs Bodmas. The answer is 62. Think carefully. Perfect, it's 36. This one is tricky. Awesome, the answer is 311. Can you do mental math? Fantastic. The answer is 513. Don't rush. Excellent. The answer is 521. This one fools many people. Great work. The answer is 324. Almost there. Brilliant. The answer is 391. Can you solve it? Correct, it's 25. Final hard challenge. The answer is 88. Oh, congratulations! You've reached the impossible level. From here on, only the smartest players can solve every question. Remember, you still have only 5 seconds for each challenge. Can you finish with a perfect score? Let's see what you've got. Only 1% can solve this. Incredible, the answer is 79. Time for a real brain test. The answer is 625. Don't get fooled. The answer is 145. Can you solve this without a calculator? Amazing! The answer is 1,110. Only math geniuses know this. The answer is 1,296. This one is insanely difficult. Excellent. The answer is 480. Can you beat this challenge? Great work. The answer is 93. Focus carefully. Incredible. The answer is 1,089. This question tricks everyone. Correct. The answer is 255. Nearly impossible. Genius. The answer is 2,025. Only 5 seconds. Amazing! The answer is 136. Don't panic. Excellent. The answer is 999. Final brain workout. Brilliant. The answer is 549. One of the hardest questions. Fantastic. The answer is 336. Final boss, can you solve this? Outstanding. The answer is 498. Congratulations! You completed the ultimate math quiz. How many questions did you answer correctly? 55 to 60. Math Legend 45 to 54, Math Genius 35 to 44, Math Expert 25 to 34. Great job 15 to 24. Keep practicing 0 to 14. Don't give up. Try again and improve your score. Comment your final score below. If you enjoyed this challenge, like this video and share it with your friends to see who is the real math champion. Subscribe for more math quizzes, IQ tests, brain teasers, and fun challenges every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next challenge.